Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your ImTokens account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your ImTokens account, firstly go ahead and launch open your ImToken application. The home page of ImToken application will appear on the screen. Tap on Recover Identity option. Enter your mnemonics, enter your password. Confirm your password by re-entering it. Now enter the reminder of your password and tap on Recover Identity. This is how you can log into your ImTokens account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.